Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Engineer in UAE. Now as I show you, we are doing here concrete for the slab. So as I show you, we have too much truck mixers down, and we have the pump, concrete pump. But this we are now at the 11th floor, so this pump can't reach till here. For that we are using this pump bracing. You see this one is called pump bracing. We make opening, and throughout the slab till there the truck pump concrete pump reaches, and after that we use this bracing pump, and so we use this to cast the concrete. Okay, as you saw, there is this masons and helper are there. They are doing the concrete. So for the concrete, supervision is must. Without engineer, the concrete is not going in any site. If this happens, this is not seems to be good as per the engineering practice. So while concreting, we should care about the concrete. Is the concrete is pass at the slump test or temperature test or not. If this is not pass the slump, we reject the that car which take the concrete, and if it pass, then we use this concrete. So we can't use more liquid in the concrete. Concrete should not be more loose. Means no too much water is problem, less water is also problem. So it should be as per the cement water cement ratio. Here I also show you before casting the concrete. You see this here, you see this wood batter, a small wood batter. They use this one to make this beam thickness in alignment. But after the shutter is finished from the all side, it should be removed, but till now they didn't remove. So we take this one that should not be in the slab in concrete. This this will damage the reduce strength of the concrete. And also before concreting, we should care about this all openings and the boxes. Throughout all the opening and boxes, we should provide this additional. You see here too much steel. We just provide the cross section of the sleeves, bottom 2 steel and top 2 steel. Minimum 1 meter we use here. So it will not, after concreting or if we use vibrator, this sleeve, this sleeve there is a chance to, displace this sleeve. So this is still, tied this sleeve, so it is not displaced from its location, because the location is most important. If the sleeve is, displaced from its location, later we have problem to adjust as per the drawing, as per the plan. Here you see, this concrete is going. Using this concrete, this guy with the vibrator to make the concrete vibrator is used, and the excess concrete over the required level, this guy is maintaining, removing this excess concrete. And after that guy, you see, is using this apparatus to make the finishing of the concrete and maintain the level. After that, you see another guy. This guy, the old man, he has in his hand one. You see here his hand, his hand down. The mark on the steel as well, the thickness of the slab. So before concreting, we should care about this steel spacing and the opening. We should check all the openings as per the architectural and structural drawing. Both we should match, and also check with the MEP drawing. if there is any openings and if there is any changes, the steel is as per drawing, as per plan or not, the lapping is okay or not, the dimension of the steel is okay or not, shutter section is okay or not, beam section is okay or not, the edges of the slab is okay or not. Because if we didn't check this all, later there is a big problem. So before casting, you should check all the things, all the related steel and any openings, everything. Later it will easy for us to go for the next work, for the next step. Okay, and for this, so this is the at side. So lever is working. This is the pump bracing we use here for concrete, because the truck pump cannot reach till here. Okay friends, thank you. Please subscribe my channel.